that on their Honda Cadets as well. But with Sebastian Dew on pole position, the 5-second board goes up, which means we're about to get racing here for the Honda Cadets. Heat 3, and already just started to get trying to get that going with Arctic Ball and released away into turn 1 through Oblivion. Sebastian Dew in 2nd place, I believe, and Adam Czurczek in 3rd. A couple of drivers getting a bit of a squirrel on through Oblivion there, going slightly wide. Luckily, unlike the sort of X30 juniors, X30 seniors from earlier on, these have a lot slower pace than those. One slight bit of oversteer through Oblivion and you're up on the grass and possibly even in the wall. Luckily in these, a little bit easier to get used to and to catch those kind of slides. Obviously, it needs to be when you're racing at such a younger age. The drivers all making it through very nicely through this lap 1. We're going to see a move here down into Osiers. That was a double overtake there for one of those drivers. That was a brilliant one. Let's see if they come back into shot, I believe. It was a 38 there. It was indeed, if I can see a 38 on my timing. Maybe not. I will look again. It's certainly a 30 car, I believe now in 4th place. 33, my apologies. Put it in the tag, yes, please. They're in 8th place now. 5 places gained on that last lap. Same with Oliver Meek, 5 places gained on that last one. Of course, Oliver Meek was who we saw take the race win in the last one, getting it on the final corner, going from about 6th to 1st because of the absolute calamitous occasion that occurred that last time around. But I think we might have seen the change later. Yeah, I think Mead in the 26 just got past on Sebastian Dew in the 68, and of course Jaden Mead. Oh, it's a slow-looking 34. Is that 34? Right, yeah. Adam to a sec. Yeah, started off quite well, but it wasn't obviously at this point during the race. Just to stop Jaden Mead, another driver that you can see in the paddock walk that we said, the paddock show that hopefully will be on during the lunch break. The way now is and then the 92 and then the Sakai the 13 as well. I don't know whether they're going to see the catalyst, but yeah, it wasn't the causation of. It was for, there was a gap there, he went for it, that gap closed, and then all hell kind of broke loose. I'm going to put it down to inexperience, because a lot of these drivers are inexperienced, aren't they? So yeah, we'll put it down to that for the time being. I'm sure they'll have had a bit of a word given to them. Hopefully no punishment for the word. No, I don't think any punishment for that. It was brilliant racing. It's just any of those 5 or 6 could have taken the win, and they all really wanted it. And that's what happens in racing sometimes. So great to see Mead, Jaden Mead, out in the lead, as you say. Him on the paddock show. He was a lovely little chap, and so was his dad as well. Had a great little chat, didn't we? To make things stick around in the lunch break for that paddock show. But Jaden goes round, did another lap, still in the lead. Behind him now again on the one, followed by Ryaturo Sakai. Now with the fastest lap, they're all changing between, but honestly, they're so close on pace. It's ridiculous. You can't split them with a piece of paper on these drivers. Yeah, Peter's dropped down to 3rd to reiterate the point, really, haven't he? It's Sakai up to 2nd, but Kanju Yuran is taking the race lead in the number 33. But, you know, I mean, the front 3, like you said, you can't split them in terms of pace, and they'll keep battling, I'm sure, for the next 4.5 minutes. The 29 of Gamayo has just got past Sebastian Dew as well. Another couple of little battles that we're looking forward to. The guy looks like he's had good pace. I think it was in the heat 1 he did particularly well, caught the eye. Just seeing if I could have a quick look. Yeah, he came in 3rd. He came in 8th. That's why he caught the eye from heat 1 yesterday afternoon. Not surprising then to see the start time. Yeah. That makes a lot of sense, mate. Up into Christmas corner, 63 goes down to the 29. That's better Fairclough on Samuel Gamiao. So those drivers incredibly quick that we always see in this category, and there's a lot of them all around. We've got Gamiao, Fairclough, Meek, Starbuck, Champney, Dew, loads of them, all pressing on to the top 3 packs. And although they are battling a little bit, if we see those front 3 battling at all, they're going to be right on the back of them. There's the 29 making another move. That's Gamiao up on Fairclough, so retakes the position, I believe, back up into 4th. Here are your leaders, those continuing to round the booth to start another lap. 33 of Emerson McKenzie Uren still leading by Asaro Sakai. As you mentioned, well, he did it pretty well there. That time he was quite last time through. And although Emerson coming on for a second or so. So, only 2 eyes, but still leading. 26 of me just behind. But look at this. Into the corner, that's the 88 of Zach Starbuck going down the inside of the 29 of Samuel Gamiao. Then being followed just behind, I think that's still Oliver Meek, I want to say, in the orange helmet. Looks like it is indeed. Oliver Meek pushing through, continuing through from that great pace he had in the first race, stealing away the win. Couldn't do it again today. Honestly, I'm never going to say never. There's only about 2.5 minutes to go, but he's putting himself in a good position for a similar outcome. Yeah, as the timing screen kicks back into action, we can see the confirmed standings as they go across the line in about 10 seconds time. No man's land. Really looks like towards the Formula 1 race, so they're right behind him. But here in Carty, the Formula 1 race, you would say that is the no man's land. Following the drivers, maybe trying to learn a thing or two, but just focusing on your own line, not worrying about the drivers behind for the time being. He's probably sat there hoping, he's glanced over his shoulder, but he's probably hoping that the front two do end up lunging each other at some point. But Sakai is being very patient about this, isn't he? No really big, just yet. It's impressive head clarity for such a young driver to be able to sit behind and work together and know, I've got the pace here. Didn't know it, I actually had the pace now. So the last lap, Mackenzie Rowan 53.36. Sakai, 53.37. Yeah. They're pretty close on pace now, just trading time. They're just waiting for that correct opportunity. I think I'm also though, I'll reiterate what I said earlier. Look back, that's the start there. You have to look forward and then see, I know they're not back in it. The box out on track, you can there, looking good as well. So the start there is fastest lap on the race, the personal best. From 53.63, another fastest lap that last time around from Emerson Mackenzie Rowan, 53.34. Now how are those four behind working together now? Zach Starbuck has moved his way up to the front of that pack of four behind. This is Bella Faircroft, Ollie League and Samuel Gamiao now at the rear. So 4th to 8th position, battling nicely. About a minute to go. Can they catch up to the rest, or is this going to be sort of a 4-kart battle for those 4 positions? I don't know, it does look like there's potential that they're a little bit quicker than me, but what I would say about, looking in your mirrors almost, looking over your shoulder like you just sort of mentioned. Right, you look backwards, you'll go backwards. I think there's a time and place of wanting a lap. I think I'm a little bit. Yeah, I know that. Especially if you're doing something that's 3 or 4 laps, doing what you're doing, there's no reason why they magically sign off making sure you put the consistent lap times in that have served you right over the last couple of laps. Once you start looking backwards, you start missing braking zones, you start overthinking it, you start thinking, oh, were they closer? I don't know, I can't remember, and then all of a sudden you miss your braking zone, you miss your apex, and they will guarantee be a lot closer. So Starbuck clearly showing some good pace though. 53.48 is only about a tenth or so off the front two. But it is crucially about a tenth and a half, 2 tenths quicker than Jaden Dean. So we're going to be going on to the final lap of the race in a couple of seconds' time. What can Starbuck do about getting to the pole position? And there we go, Sakai is taking the same patience. Not anymore, final lap of the race. Take the race lead again. Only way by the Mackenzie Rowan. Sorry, the official can wait and pick that move off so well by the time. Couldn't quite keep it there though. Drops back down to second, and Mackenzie Rowan now defending like his life depends on it. It's allowing me, Starbuck, me, Faircroft, Gamiao to all now get involved as well. Look at this, the battle for first has gone from being 2 karts to now, what's that, 6, 7 karts involved? Can Mackenzie Rowan hold on to this? Sakai still in second, 26 of me there now in third. Can he do anything through here? He's going to go for it possibly up the inside. Not quite going to happen. Looking for a switchback though, could get the inside here. No, they're quite getting penalised. Could Sakai go for it to the final corner? He's going to look for it. He's going to get squeezed out wide. Mackenzie Rowan, but Mackenzie Rowan just cannot hold on. And they are going to stay in the same place as Bryce Griffin. Mackenzie Rowan taking the win there with the time behind. He's there in third. And Starbuck just about in 4 seconds.